Hello everyone, welcome to episode 9 of Senior Tech. Today we are going to show you how to open a Google account. It's basically just getting a Google Gmail account. You don't have to switch your existing Gmail, it's just an addition. It gives you access to a lot of great free features that Google gives you. And here at Senior Tech we'll try to show you anything that's free on the internet that is good for you. So let's get started here. We're going to assume that you do not have a Gmail account. You might have one already. If you have an Android phone, you probably do. But let's start with opening up our Google Chrome browser. And it's very simple. When you open the Google Chrome browser and you don't have a Gmail account or a Google account, as we're going to call it in this video. It looks just like this if you go to google.com. Right up here you're going to see Gmail. If you click on that once, it's going to prompt you to create an account. So we're just going to click on that once, and we're going to put our first, last name, and how we want our Gmail to be. So I am going to do one for Senior Tech, and I'm just going to name myself Senior and my last name Tech. See if it lets me do that. And it starts giving you suggestions right away here of names that are available. So for example, Tech Senior 171 is available, T Senior 791 is available. Let me do this. I'm going to highlight it and type Senior Tech and see if that's available. If I click away from it, it seems to be available at gmail.com. Let's try it. We got to create a password, so I'm going to do that. It'll ask you to confirm the password to make sure that you have it right. And I'm going to hit next. See, Senior Tech is not available. So let's add something to it. Sometimes a number will help. Let's try to write 304. Hit next again. Okay, it's available. The other thing it's asking me here is for a phone number for confirmation where they can contact me in case there is a problem. But you can also use an email, which is optional as a backup to get your it's going to ask you your date of birth. So I'm going to make up one here. Okay, let's see if it lets me do it without a phone number or a confirmation email. Yep, it let me do it. This is their privacy and terms. So you scroll down on that using your little wheel and tell them you agree. And right now it's creating my account. And there it is. It's going to give you a few different options. You're better off just keeping everything at default and simple. There is my email account for Google, for my Gmail account. We're going to have a whole separate class on this, how to use this, how to keep this simple and easy, how you can have your Gmail monitor your other emails so you can see everything here, but that's another class for another day. The next series of our videos is going to be mostly around the Google features and things that are available to you. So now that I have an account, you see these little 9 dots that appear here. This is where all the great free things that Google gives you will appear for you. If I click on that, I have Google Maps there, YouTube, I can access right from here, Google News, my Gmail account, my contacts will show you how to import your contacts from any other place that you may have them. Google Drive, which is free storage space online for your documents. It's a great way to back up important things. If your computer ever goes down and you have it backed up onto your important documents in Google Drive, they will always be there. They're on the cloud, so they're safe. You have a calendar here. You have Google Translate, which is a great feature. Let me show you how that works while I'm here. You want it to detect the language automatically here. We want it, let's say, to translate to Spanish. So this is where your translation is going to come out. So I'm going to put Spanish there, and I am going to type hello in English here. And there you go. Tells me how it is in Spanish. If I want to know how to say it, I just click on this little button. Hola. And it tells me how to say it. You can type it longer here. My name is Steve. It tells you, hola, mi nombre es Steve. And I can listen to it. Mi nombre es Steve. So that's a great, very handy feature, especially if you're traveling or trying to communicate with somebody who doesn't speak English. The other great thing available with your Google account is Google Photos. It is a great way to organize your photos. It is a great way to back up all your photos online, on the cloud. Again, if your computer goes down, or your phone, if that's where you're keeping your photos, goes down, this, if you have your photos backed up here, will always be there. You can go on any computer, sign in with your Gmail and your password, and have access to your Google Photos and your important documents that you might have backed up to Google Drive. So these are two great features. They're free. In Photos, as long as you're not doing very high definition photos, you get unlimited storage, which is quite a bargain. So these are the great things you get with Google. Our next videos are going to go one by one through some of the great features that are here, how to use them, how to have your photos automatically back up to Google Photos. So that's, like I said, a lesson for another day. So let's close out of this. Let's close out all together. And the next time you open Google Chrome, unless you've signed out, it's going to go right to your account. It's going to open it there automatically. Here's another thing that makes it really good. You can have your favorites and so on here. Let me go to our website, 2bcomputers.com. And here is 2bcomputers.com. Now I want to save this as a place that I go to. You see the little star here? All I do is click on it once. It's going to ask me where you want to save it to. The default one is the bookmarks bar, which is the place where you should leave them. And just press the done button. And it is now saved. Okay, so if I go here to the 3 dots here in Google Chrome, and I go to bookmarks, Actually, the thing to do at this point is to enable your bookmarks bar, which makes it easy to access all this. So I'll again go to the three buttons, go to bookmarks. Down here you see show the bookmarks bar. Hit that once. And here it is. 2B Computers is up there. Okay? And as you add websites to here, it'll mark it for you. Let's do another one. I like to keep the Google homepage bookmarked, so let's go to google.com, hit the enter key. It's trying to give me some features here. I'm going to say no thanks right now. And there is my Google homepage. So I'm going to click on the star again. Bookmarks bar, that's fine. Press done. And there it is. It's always going to be there for me. So I can, if I want to go to 2B Computers, I just click on that. If I want to go back to my Google main search page, I just do that. Okay, let's close out of that. Well, like always, we thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and the little subscribe button down below. Please hit the little thumbs up if you liked our videos. It helps us with our YouTube rankings. If you want an easy way to access all our videos, go to our website, which is down below in the description of the video, which is 2bcomputers.com. Follow the link to Senior Tech, and there you will see, if you scroll down, a menu of all our videos. Again, thanks for watching, and see you next time on Senior Tech.